Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by turning off both hot and cold valves beneath the sink and opening the faucet to relieve pressure. Once done, slide a towel and bucket under the basin to catch drips and remove any stored items so you can work. Use a flashlight to inspect the mounting nut and identify whether a retaining nut, deck plate, or mounting bracket secures the faucet. This tells you which tool, basin wrench or standard wrench, you need for the first removal step. Once you've located the mounting nut, brace the faucet spout from above to prevent it falling as you work below. Use the basin wrench to loosen the nut counterclockwise. If corroded, apply penetrating oil and wait a few minutes. After removing the nut and any split washer or bracket, lift the faucet off the deck and wipe away old plumber's putty and mineral deposits so the new seal sits flat. Then check the cartridge, O-rings, and shank for damage to determine which parts to replace. Place a new rubber or split washer and the escutcheon on the faucet base, apply a thin bead of plumber's putty or silicone around the hole, and seat the faucet. From underneath, hand thread the mounting nut and then firm it with a wrench, do not over-torque. Reconnect supply lines, open valves slowly, and run the faucet while checking all joints for drips. If you still see a leak, tighten the specific fitting slightly. If it persists, replace the faulty O-ring or nut and retest.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.